Hi, in this video, I will show you how you can print your Canva presentation with the notes included. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to prepare your presentation document on Canva and make sure that you have notes in the presentation. You can click on the notes button right here and you'll see that every slide will have their own notes, and you can add up to 5,000 characters note. And when you're done, you can go to share, click download, and on the file tab, make sure to select either PDF standard or PDF printing. I'm gonna go with PDF standard, but if you want to get the best color accuracy, then you might want to select PDF print. But please note that it's going to make the file a lot bigger. Anyway, let's go with PDF standard and make sure to enable include notes. And when you're done, click download, and Canva will try to compile all the slides from your presentation document into one PDF document, which includes the note as well. So now the file is being downloaded, and I just need to wait for a few seconds until it finishes, and it will immediately start to open an Adobe PDF program. So this is the file, the document open via Adobe PDF, Adobe Acrobat program. And as you can see, the format is pretty simple. There is a slide at the top, and then below it there is a note. So every single slide has their own dedicated page. But of course, this is probably not the most efficient way to print the document, especially if you still have plenty of big spaces at the bottom. So because of that, I do recommend to open the file, the PDF file, using Google Chrome, for example, and you can click print. And on the pages per sheet, you want to select maybe 2 or maybe even 4 different slides into one document. It's not gonna be perfect because there's going to be this big space still in there, but at least instead of spending 4 papers, you just need to print using one or a single paper. So if that's something that you are willing to compromise, then yeah, that's one way to get your presentation document from Canva being printed with the notes as well. Anyway, that's exactly how you can print a Canva presentation with the notes included.